Hello, and welcome to our presentation about our training for diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workforce by Denise Friend, Desta Olds, Paula Bonaparte, and Linda Pockgerner. Here at Williams Morris Corporation, we seek to honor and promote diversity, equity, and inclusion, or DEI, within our work environment. We believe that productivity and success are reliant on a holistic synergy of the staff that works together in positive exchanges and outcomes to have a renewed emphasis on equal and appreciative engagement. The Williams Morris Corporation has seen a marked increase in human resource complaints since their return to the workplace after remote working for a year and a half due to the coronavirus pandemic. This includes issues arising from a now more racially diversified and LGBTQ staff with implicit bias and microaggressions. The company wants refresher training for all staff in a workplace that is diverse, equitable, and inclusive. Diversity, equity, and inclusion impact all those inside the company, as well as many people outside the company. The Williams Morris staff, senior management and supervisors, as well as individual departments, all have a stake in embracing an inclusive workplace. Through a tailored training created specifically for the needs of the company, we can improve the working environment, increase employee retention, and attract quality talent. Thanks to the expertise of skilled instructional designers to create this professional development, the company could also see improved customer relations, increased stock value through customer growth, and improved relationships in the community. The ethical, legal, and business concerns are important to ensuring the Williams Morris Corporation adhere to proper business requirements. This will limit liability for the corporation. The bottom line is to avoid unnecessary costs and give employees safe, comfortable, and positive work environments. Research of the following training vendors offering DEI training include Diversity Resources, Toronto Regional Immigrant Employee Council, Easy Llama, and Cantola. In researching our competitors, we are looking at their scope of training in dealing with diversity, equity, and inclusion, and how they handle other marginalized groups like non-binary and those with autism and other disabilities. Main patterns that were seen were that these vendors do not offer any certificates of completion and that their training might be either too narrow or too broad in scope. Williams Morris will locate and use free materials when available, ensure the employees, learners, privacy information is secure, and provide ADA compliance to learners and employees as provided by law under Section 504, 508, and applicable laws under the Americans with Disabilities Act. As staff diversity increases at Williams Morris, there should be training to address implicit bias to mitigate potential conflict. This training ensures a productive, non-discriminatory work environment that prevents potential microaggressions or personal biases from unfolding. Federal and state laws protect all segments of Williams Morris. We will advise how to overcome negative behaviors and maintain a productive workforce. The outcomes of this training is for the staff at Williams Morris to utilize their newly gained knowledge and tools to create an inclusion action plan. This should have measurable goals and the dates of check-ins to ensure they are maintaining an inclusive work environment. Through this process, the company will ensure compliance through employee certification. Considerations in the Inclusion Action Plan should include how to facilitate trust and respect within the company, how to make every voice heard, how to create spaces for diverse individuals. Thank you for listening to our presentation about our training for diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workforce. If you have any questions or would like to enroll or receive a demo of this training, please contact any of our members listed.